Hello friends, I'm Salim Masani, and in this particular series of videos, we are going to cover Cloud Digital Leader Certification Bootcamp, and this is my module 0 of 8 modules which we are going to begin with. So before we start and we understand what this module is going to cover, let's look at what you can expect out of this whole series. We're going to start with fundamentals of cloud computing, and then we are going to get inside Google Cloud services which are required for you to crack the certification. So on the screen is the domain-wise breakup of the distribution of different topics pertaining to exam. Okay, and this I've taken up from Google Cloud certification guide. So please refer to this to understand, more about the certification. So who should be doing this course? Beginners in technology. The course is ideal for newcomers into technology who want to learn fundamentals of cloud computing and get a bit of exposure to, Google Cloud. For career enhancements and various different field professionals, if you're already into certain fields and you want to looking at, understanding more about cloud computing, or if you're into a specific role in IT industry and want to move into cloud-based roles, this is a good, certification to begin with. This will at least help you understand what you are getting inside in terms of technology. I would also suggest college students to go through this. It is a good certification. It's an easy certification to have and will help you, especially if you're looking at getting inside the IT industry. So this is a foundational certificate, Cloud Digital Leader, that is our focus. Along with that, Google offers various different certifications, including Cloud Associate Engineer, Google Workspace Administrator, Data Practitioner, and multiple professional certifications. About the instructor. So I'm Salim Masani. I have 24 years of industry experience. I've started my career with on-premise infrastructure. My early days of certification was in Microsoft technology. MCSA 2003 was the first thing which I've given. I moved into cloud in about 2011, I guess. And then, from there onwards, I've been migrating. I've been working with customers. And since last about 10 years, I've been into training, and I'm an authorized instructor for AWS and Google both technologies. And this entire series, right, I will be, there with you to make sure that, I can support you for your certification. To keep this training interesting, I have developed a set of slide deck which I'll be flashing on the screen, as well as we'll be doing some amount of whiteboarding and some demos in the senses I've shown UI in places where I felt it was easier to explain looking at the UI, and we have some Q&A at the end of each module to help you make sure that you've got the concepts. Let's go through our agenda. We're going to start with fundamentals of computing. That's my module 1. And if you understand cloud computing, you already are familiar with its concepts. Feel free to skip that. But I've covered a bit about subnetting over here. So if you feel that it's necessary for you to understand that, then feel free to go through module 1. Module 2 is on Google Cloud Platform. So this gets you started with GCP. Module 3 is going to get inside storage section. Module 4 is on compute section. Module 5 is on networking and security in the cloud. Module 6 is observability and operations. This is relatively a small module. And module 7 is on AI services offered by GCP. Module 8 is sample questions which I could find from internet. Actually, I've added questions at the end of each module relevant to that module so that it helps you understand how exam is going to test your knowledge. If I get more questions, I'll add more modules. But for now, whatever I have, whatever I could find, I've added in module till module 8 for that. So thank you for watching my module 0 on Google Cloud Digital Leader Bootcamp. Do subscribe, like, and share. do subscribe. I'll be releasing one video probably each module every week, and I'll put the release dates in the description so that you know when the module is released or when it's going to be released. Do subscribe to be notified moment the next module is released. Right. Thank you so much, and feel free to put your comments if you have any doubts when you all go through your modules. Feel free to put them in the comments. As and when possible, I would love to answer those as well. Thank you so much, and see you in module 1.